To the Mibor VTZ Sawmill Factory, a fully autonomous sawmill factory. In this factory, they have double chipper canters, quad and double vertical bandsaws that work together for a successful process. Blades are positioned by scanning logs and automatic optimization for the best recovery. They also have the VRA40F optimized edger to help them edge up to 40 boards per minute. After that, further processing is done with the Doublehead RS1300 resaw line, completing a full system run. Aside from the way it does its work, it's also very surprising to know that the production capacity of this factory is up to 500 cubic meters, and it is able to complete that in just 8 hours of shift. Even though this is the last on the list, DrewMet machines are still as mind-blowing as the other ones. They are known for their durable and robust designs, as well as their high precision and overall wonderful performance. They also offer these woodworking machines that have been popular in the market because of its almost entirely failure-free operation when processing wood up to 380 millimeters thick. The line of DrewMet machines include the circular sawing machine TT400, intended to handle initial woodworking or the cutting of the outermost timber layer, producing a cuboid with the width of the log being cut. Results can also be accelerated through their twin-shaft multi-saw WD200-240M, primarily for cutting timber logs into thinner planks. The byproducts of these are then processed further by the twin-shaft multi-saw WD200-240M. After that, the results can vary from planks, strips, or square timber, with widths depending on the set width of circular saws. It's also important to note that the thickness of planks are set manually. This is done by setting the distance between the saws on the shaft. Harvesting with the unique Rotney H8D has never been easier. Thanks to its unique two-part chassis and articulated joint, this machine can now provide accurate tracking. The Rotney Traction Control RTC also gives the machine the capacity to have 3 different speed intervals, anti-spin function, and good contact with the ground and full traction. This machine was designed to cater the needs of stand operating thinning. Due to this, it can withstand strip row distances without the need for manual immediate zone felling. Aside from that, it can also work properly even when it is 6 to 7 meters away from the trees. Forestry professionals have been very fond of the Barco 240 dangle because it has proven itself to be a powerful and trustworthy machine. This has a 220 horsepower Cummins QSB 6.7 Tier 3 diesel engine, which keeps the machine going. To make sure smooth and excellent performance is given, it also works with the IQAN electro-hydraulic control system, especially in harvesting applications and even viable control. Its drawbar pull is also impressive because it can deliver up to 1.3 to 1 ratio of drawbar pull, perfect when working with steep hills and rough terrain. A total torque of 50,787 foot-pounds can also be provided by its dual swing drive motors. First on the list is this machine by Baker Products. This is a high-production sawmill that promises to bring significant improvements in your tasks. They do it through making ergonomic and practical changes in sawmill processes so that log breakdown is as worthwhile as it can be. This machine can incredibly handle both softwood and hardwood logs thanks to its 50 horsepower electric motor. With its 36 inches diameter, one end of the study I-beam steel frame can be a position for the machine's hydraulic controls. Since blade length is very important in tasks like this, Baker Products also made sure that they added two 36-inch diameter all-steel band wheels to the machine to help it extend the blade length more. Moreover, this also helps in increasing cutting speed without having to sacrifice precision. Now that oil and fuel is getting more and more expensive, alternatives are sought out by the government and industries. They have found out that wood chips are actually good alternative sources for power generation, hence making them more in demand today. Good thing that the Vermeer Forestry equipment offers a solution for efficient wood chips production. This is the WC2300XL Whole Tree Chipper, a powerful solution for producing wood chips. Through its variable speed dual in-feed conveyor chains and smart crush technology, it is able to handle materials in the best way possible. Using this machine guarantees the production of valuable end product from log or slash. Parts of the machine that wears off easily are also replaceable, which makes maintenance easier too. Next up, we have a debarking machine from Bosch Leibniz, which was designed to make debarking safer and more convenient. This functions by debarking any round timber so that it can be prepared for its designated purpose. Although this is known to be a professional machine, operators are sure to experience a smooth and easy operation with it, and even makes pointing a single work step easier too. To make this machine work, operators need to place the log on the feeder so the debarking process can start. Since this has an adjustable feed, the surface quality can also be altered so that the target result can be achieved faster. This machine is capable of reaching 9 running meters per minute while working with logs that have 15 centimeter diameter. After the process, the built-in ejector fan of the machine automatically discharges the processed chips. Truly, debarking is made as easy as 1, 2, 3. If you're looking for debarking machines able to take logs up to 795 millimeters in diameter, the Cambio 800 debarker with CIM 750 infeed from Camtrail Outfeed is the best one for you. This innovation easily becomes one of the world's best alternatives for challenging sawmills and log yards thanks to its durability, limited surface requirements, and very low running cost. Some of its amazing features are the triangular feed and the carbide-typed debarking tools. The feed works impressively, meanwhile the tools are powered by compressed air. All these unique and useful specs lead to first-class debarking performance.